Okay, welcome to another Matt Human Pizza video. In this video, we're going to show you some toe bracket covers. One right there. That's the left one, and the right one is right here. Because if you're in the driver's seat looking out, that's right. And over here's left. To remove it, I'd get one of those computer screwdrivers or computer doohickeys that mess around with computers. It's plastic and rubber and it's easy to get off, but I'm just going to use a regular flathead screwdriver. So I'm going to shove it in there and go wham! That's how I get that removed. Now you're going to have it dangling here. Just going to be a little dangling here. And it's going to come out. This end right here is going to be like an arrow. It's going to look like an arrow. I don't know if I can get it. I don't have no light. It's going to have an arrow. It's going to squeeze it and pull it through that little hole right there. Right there. So you'll squeeze this end. See, it looks like an arrow. You'll just squeeze this as you shove it through this hole. That's how you remove it. So once you remove it, then you get your new one. And then inside there you can see where it looks like something threads. There's threading inside that hole. Little glory hole right there. Something will thread, like a pipe or something will thread on there, and then that's how you connect to the vehicle's frame. And then to install, it's just for reversal, except just get up like that and go wham with the fast 1-inch punch. That's how you remove that one. And then this one, I haven't removed this one yet. Let's get that in there and go wham! Let's see if this glory hole looks a little different. Yeah, a little different. Shove your finger in there, and here's how I figured out what this was. I just Googled 5328550R030, and this cover popped up here. And you'll just take this. This one's coming out. Look at it. It's wanting to come out. This one's actually going to be easier to show. That's how you remove that. That's how you remove that. A little scratched up here. You got some scratches up here. That's how you remove it. And then this one, wow, it's a little damaged. How about that? Whoop-de-woo. Ooh, maybe this has been towed. It's all risky. The biggest risk of them all is not taking one at all. It's all risky. You afraid of risk? You gotta take risks. So shove it back in there. Now the biggest risk of them all is to get to the end of your life and realize you didn't take any risk at all. This is where I put the flathead screwdriver at. 1, 2, 1-inch punch. See, I already damaged it a little bit right here because I should have used gentle rubber tools, but I used the metal and I went wham! Oh, fuck. Fuck. Alright, I plugged that in. I plugged it in, I pressed enter. Come on. Oh, man. ISO 9140, linking error. Oh, come on.